Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into top 3 video AI alternatives. Number 1. Prezi. Imagine giving a presentation that feels more like a captivating journey than a mundane slide deck. Prezi transforms the way we tell stories by breaking free from the constraints of traditional presentations. With its unique zoomable canvas, Prezi lets you craft dynamic, non-linear presentations that flow seamlessly, taking your audience on a visual adventure they won't forget. Picture this. Instead of clicking through boring slides, your viewers are zooming in and out of key points, getting a bird's-eye view of your entire narrative, then diving deep into the details that matter. It's like breathing life into your ideas. Whether you're a teacher trying to inspire students, a marketer crafting a compelling pitch, or a team leader rallying your crew, Prezi helps you connect emotionally with your audience. And with Prezi Video, you can appear alongside your content, blending your presence with your message, adding a personal touch that builds trust and engagement. Collaborate with your team in real time, no matter where they are, and create presentations that don't just inform, they transform. When it comes to making an impact, Prezi is your stage, your spotlight, and your storyteller all rolled into one. Number 2. Simplified. Think of Simplified as the creative partner you've always wanted, but never thought you could afford. It's like having a graphic designer, video editor, copywriter, and social media manager all in one intuitive platform, powered by AI. This all-in-one content creation tool turns your ideas into stunning visuals, captivating videos, and persuasive copy with just a few clicks. No creative block, no technical headaches. Whether you're a startup founder with a million things on your plate, a marketer hustling to keep up with the content demands, or a social media manager looking for that viral moment, Simplified is here to make your life easier. The platform's AI copywriter feels like a magic wand, instantly generating engaging content that speaks directly to your audience's heart. The video editor lets you transform raw footage into professional videos that tell your story in vivid detail, capturing attention in those precious first seconds. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro. Simplified's easy-to-use interface makes you feel like one. Add to this the seamless collaboration tools and the social media scheduler that keeps your content flowing smoothly, and you've got a tool that empowers you to create with confidence and connect with your audience like never before. Number 3. Synthesia. Imagine being able to create high-quality videos without needing a camera, a studio, or a professional crew. Synthesia makes this dream a reality with its groundbreaking AI technology, allowing anyone to produce engaging videos with lifelike avatars that speak in over 120 languages. Think of the possibilities. Training videos that don't just lecture but speak directly to employees in their native language. Marketing videos that feel personal and tailored, or customer support videos that offer clear, concise solutions. All created in minutes, not weeks. Synthesia takes the stress, cost, and time out of video production, replacing it with creativity and control. It's like having a multilingual spokesperson who's always ready, never needs makeup, and gets your message across perfectly every time. For educators, this means more personalized e-learning experiences that connect with students on a deeper level. For businesses, it means endless scalability and consistency in communication. Synthesia isn't just a tool. It's a creative ally that empowers you to deliver your message with emotion, clarity, and authenticity, no matter where in the world your audience is. These enhanced descriptions not only explain what each tool does, but also connect emotionally with potential users, highlighting how each platform can empower them to create, communicate, and captivate more effectively. These are the top 3 video AI alternatives.